Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here or just stopping by, my name is Jennifer and this is how I get ready for work. So it is Saturday, February 15th and my arm hurts. I don't know where my tripod is. It's somewhere in there. Anywho, I work 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. tonight. And James is off today, but my dad wants to hang out with Ellie this weekend. So Ellie is going to my dad's house. My hair looks a wreck. But it is about 11 o'clock, and we're going to start getting ready. So if you don't know, I'm a CNA, certified nursing assistant, a nurse aide, state registered, whatever you want to call us. We're CNAs, nurse aides, NASers, whatever. So, you know, I got to wear scrubs. I can't be going to work looking all crazy. All types of good stuff. So the first thing I'm going to do is hop in the shower. I'm not washing my hair today. I don't wash my hair very often. My arm is shaking. I'm really sorry. I'm going to go get in the shower, not wash my hair, and I'll catch up with you guys after that. Okay, so I'm out of the shower and I'm totes naked, but I wanted to show you this part. So I lay out all my clothes. That's Ellie's bow for when I do her hair in a minute. Bra. I wear leggings and a tank top. There's my drawers. And then I'm actually going to wear a scrub top today. I'm doing good. So I'm going to quickly put on probably my leggings and, you know, my underdrawers. And I'm probably going to put on a t-shirt while I get ready. I normally just get ready in my jams. But yeah, that's what we're doing right now, getting dressed. Okay, so I ran out of time before I could show you like me doing this at home, but I just put on the outfit that I had laid out, and the last few things I have to do to get ready is put on my name tag. I'm gonna keep it turned around because y'all don't need to know exactly where I work, just know I work in a long-term care facility. And then I'm gonna put my pens, a Sharpie, and chapstick in my scrub top pocket. I keep these in, this is my work jacket, I keep it in that pocket. And then these are just a few random things that I feel like I need with me while I work. This is Rose hand cream. Oh, it's body cream, whatever. I use it on my hands from Bath and Body Works. I always keep some gum with me. Lord Jesus. Sorry, I'm trying to put everything up. And then these are by Odeon, that brand, and these are just Bluetooth, yeah, they're just Bluetooth headphones. I wear one on occasion, and just I have a work playlist. A few random snack things I take with me. Tuesdays and Thursdays I work 16-hour shifts. I work 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. so I need to have something to eat with me, but tonight I'm only working 2 to 10. But just in case I get a little hungry because I haven't eaten anything since breakfast, I just packed 2 of the Great Value protein bars. These are peanut butter and dark chocolate. And then this is the Natural Choice pepperoni pizza, like the healthy choice. It's pepperoni, mozzarella, and it's wrapped in flatbread. You always have to have hand sanitizer. They provide that. I buy everything off-brand, but I always bring some Tylenol because sometimes, you know, your head just starts hurting. I also bring trash. I also bring a few K-cups with me. We do have a Keurig in the break room here at work, so sometimes I'll run in there and make a cup of coffee. This is just the French vanilla cappuccino mix because I don't have to add creamer or anything to it. And the last thing is my giant jug of water. This is 64-ounce jug. I try to drink 2 to 3 of these a day, and it's awesome when I work because I'm trying to make sure my name tag doesn't turn around. That's awesome when I'm working anytime, especially my doubles, because I can refill it throughout the day and still hit my water goal for the day. So that is pretty much it. It's 1:43. I'm supposed to clock in at 2, but I always clock in 10 to 15 minutes early just so I have time to figure out what haul I'm going to be working, get report, get my stuff situated, figure out what baths I need to do, and like what all needs to be done on my shift. Oh, and I always wear my Apple Watch. I do wear it every day, but I always make sure, don't park beside me. Sorry. I always make sure to wear it with this ventilated wristband to work, just so it monitors my exercise, my steps pretty much, and my stand goal, calorie goal, all of that. And I like the ventilated one because my arm gets wet a lot from doing showers, so that helps me keep up with everything. What else? Obviously my phone, but that's, you know, I'm using it right now. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm allowed to wear a piercing, by the way, and then really the only other jewelry I have is my mom necklace, my Apple Watch, and my wedding set, which I pretty much never take any of that off. So yeah, I'm about to go in, clock in, figure out what I'm doing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. From where I'm working more, now I've gone back to work full time. I would love to make more videos talking about, you know, my experience being a CNA, tips I have, you know, all of that. I, of course, cannot film inside of my facility because of HIPAA violations and just resident privacy. But if you want to know, like, my normal routine of what I do when I work or any tips or anything like that, I can do that for you. Like I said, a lot of my videos are going to be a little more laid back and actual, like, real life videos, kind of like this, and vlogs, just from where that's what I have time to film right now. So I also just, we're a family facility. My mom has worked here for like 15, 16 years now, so I pretty much know everyone that works here. For the most part, they're all very sweet people, so I trust no one's gonna steal my car, and I just leave my keys in my coat pocket. We don't have lockers or anything like that here, so I just put my keys in my coat pocket and leave my purse in the nurse's station. What was I gonna tell you? We don't have lockers, so yeah, I'm gonna get off here and go into work. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed it. I am doing a giveaway at 400 subscribers, and we are halfway there. Come on guys, let's do a giveaway. I'm so random. I'm gonna get off here. Bye guys.